Okay, so this is Dragon Box. We're gonna go into the game. I'm gonna pick my character, and I'm gonna go into my world, and I'm gonna start in world number 1. And I'm just gonna draw some references here. So it's telling you there are two sides. When we have equations in algebra, we have two sides of an equation. And what separates the two sides, they don't quite show it in the game, or at least not yet. Right now it's giving you some rules. Wait. Cool. Isolate the box. That's great. You see this? So it's telling us to tap it. But do you see right down the middle here? There's like a wall. That's actually, think of it like an equal sign. So it's telling you that these two sides are equal, and we have to isolate this box. This is usually known as an unknown or a variable. So I'm going to tap it. Now the variable is by itself, so box equals dragon snake. But that's the whole point of this game. We're trying to actually refer to algebra. So these, they look like black holes almost. They're green swirls. They represent the number 0. Okay, so we tapped them because whenever you add 0 to something, it doesn't do anything. It keeps it the exact same. So when I get rid of my zeros, I'm going to get box is equal to blue fish. We're not using numbers yet in this game, but it's eventually going to build the numbers. The whole point of it is to get used to canceling things out. So this is great. Our box or our variable is by itself on the right side. Or sorry, it's not by itself right now. It's shining. It's telling you we got to get this by itself. But I have a bunch of other cards here. Think of them as numbers. I need to get rid of them. So each card has a knight card. A knight card is just an opposite. Think of it like if we have integers, this is, we'll say maybe the white is +2 and the black is -2. And when I put positive and -2 together, they equal 0. They cancel each other out. So when I put negative potato and positive potato, boom, zeros. Okay, so when I get rid of the zeros, box equals, I don't know, armadillo? I don't know if that thing is on the side. This is the whole point of the game. So here we go. The dice, we have some numbers and we have some cards. So the fishes are opposites, so we put them together, they created 0. Yeah, put the 4s together, so positive and -4, 2 zeros. Amazing. Great. So that's the start of the game. That's the whole thing it's trying to get you to do, is get things equal on each side. Whip through this real quick. 1, 2. Perfect. I'm going to get to the next level in this because it's going to give you new instruction. Here we go. To get 3 stars, remove all the useless cards. Okay, it's telling you always get rid of your zeros. So you get rid of that. Yeah, so get rid of the 0 on this side. That's it. Perfect. You've got it. Those aren't opposites, yeah. So on this side, you try to get all the opposites to get rid of each other because you don't want numbers that aren't simplified. You're always trying to simplify things in mathematics. So here's good. This is interesting. I'm going to talk to you about this, okay? Yeah, you already know what to do. You move this to one side. So what happened there in math is whatever you do to one side of an equation, you have to do the other. So because you added this guy on this side, you had to add him over here. That's great. He created a 0. Apparently I did it in too many moves. I must have touched the screen somewhere else. That's fine. We'll just keep moving. So if you put him on this side, and drag him over, you have to put him in. The game is telling you must do it on that side. Great. We get rid of our 2 zeros. We've got it. Okay, good. So let's leave it as, and okay, now they're giving you some numbers involved here. So that's great. So we're going to stop there because that gives you at least a bit of an understanding.